Hi, this is Mandy. Here we would like to recommend a laptop keyboard tester to you. You know we are selling laptop keyboards and need to test keyboards every day before shipping them to our customer. This tester is very helpful to us. Now let me show you. Our tester kit includes a PCB test board. It will be connected with this USB cable, a simple USB device for backlight testing, and 6 pieces for FPC cables for replacement purpose. Our tester can test keyboards like this. Now we will show you how to use it. First, check the test board here. It simulates circuits between laptops and the keyboards. There are different connectors to fit different FPC cables. These 5 and this one are all 1.0 mm pitch connector. This one is special for Dell D620. This is special for some of the ThinkPad keyboard models. This is 0.8 mm pitch connector. This is a backlit keyboard for Toshiba laptop with 0.8 mm pitch FPC. Now we will test it. First, plug this USB cable. You can see 2 USB ports here. Either one is okay. Now you need to find the suitable connector to this FPC. If you don't know which one can fit, you can compare your FPC with these connectors until you find the suitable one. Okay, insert the FPC cable into this suitable connector. Make sure you connect the correct side, the correct position, and put it firmly into the connector. Okay, press the button on. When the key is good, it will respond and make a beep sound, like this. Okay, good. This freestyle connector is more easy and convenient to connect and disconnect. Okay, now we will do the backlight testing. This is the backlight cable. To test the backlight, you need extra power supply to light up the keyboard. This is a USB simple device for backlight testing. The red one is positive, the black one is negative. Okay, connect the USB cable. Now you need to find the correct contacts to test the backlight. Here, you can try several times until you find the correct contact. See, the backlight is good. Okay. In the same way, we can also test keyboard with different pitch FPC, like this one. It is a keyboard for Asus laptop with 1.0 mm pitch FPC. Okay, now we will test it. You can use those 5 connectors or this freestyle connector to test this keyboard. Okay. Now insert the cable with the right side. Make sure insert it tight and firmly. Don't forget to press the button on before start testing. When you find out so many keys, no response and silence, it is not normal. In this case, we need to find out what might be the problems. First, check if cable broken. Second, check if cable inserted into wrong connector. Third, check if insert the cable not firmly. The most possible reason might be you insert the cable in the wrong side. See, you did insert the cable in the wrong side. Okay, now turn to another side and test again. See, working now. When you find some keys are good, but some keys not response, like these two keys, but other keys is working good, we can know that these two keys have problem. Well, this tester is not perfect. It still has some disadvantages. First, I cannot test the pointer in the keyboard. Second, for this type of ThinkPad keyboard that has a special FPC, it cannot test these three keys, but can test other keys. Now we will show you. Make sure you put the cable in the right direction. Here. Okay, now we test it. Press the button on. And can test the keys now. It cannot test these three keys. See? Other keys can be tested, but it cannot test these three keys. It cannot test the pointer in the keyboard also. But for other ThinkPad keyboards that have different FPC, like this one, it can test all the keys, including these three keys. Now we will show you. Remember, whenever you put the cable into the connector before testing, you need to be more careful and make sure the circuits between the FPC and connector perfectly and correctly matched. Okay, press the button on. See? Can test the keys now. Can test these three keys. See? I can test all the keys, including these three keys. But I cannot test the pointer in the keyboard here also. While the tester does not provide all suitable connectors for all types of laptop keyboards, like them. After frequently using for this tester, those connectors might get loose or damaged. So here we offer extra 6 pieces of connectors for you for replacement purpose. 2 pieces to replace this, 2 pieces to replace this, 2 pieces to replace this. When you replace this connector and this connector, we suggest you solder the connector from the right side, not from the left side, because the 4 circuits here is not used. You can see we also block these 4 circuits here. Also, it requires careful handling and good technique when you replace the connector. It has 6 months warranty for quality for this test board, but it does not cover any damages caused by improper soldering or handling during replacing. If you have any question to this tester, welcome to contact us. Thank you.